Welcome to IAC. Today we are going to discuss banking fund. Take first question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So friends, here the given one is how many pairs of digits have same number of digits between them in the number 57381429 as in the numeric series. Friends, take here given one 573814269. Friends, once count in number series number format after 5, 6, 7, 8. Next after 8, next one is here 9. After 9, no number is there, leave it. Next after 7, 8. Next one 9, 10. After 9, no number, leave it. After 3, next one is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means here 3 to 9 is pair is matched. Next one after 8, 9. After 9, no number, leave it. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no. After 4, 5, 6, yes. Next one after 6, 7, leave. After 2, 3, 4, no. That means here forward here we are having only 3 pairs. Friends, take in reverse and reverse after 9 no number is there, so no need to check. After 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9 no number, leave it. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yes. 2 to 7 and after 7, 8. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, no. After 1, 2, 3, yes. Next one after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, again 1 to 5 and next one after 8 no number. After 3, 4, 5, that means here again one more pair. That means here forward here we are having 3 pairs, reverse here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs. That means here answer is more than 6 pairs, so answer is option E. Take next question. Your time starts now. Last 10 seconds. Yes, time up. So take your given data. Point U is 10 meter north of point Q1. Take it U. This U is 10 meter north of Q. Next point. Point T is 10 meter east of U. Friends, take here point T. This point T is 10 meter east of U. Next point. Point S is 15 meter south of T. Take here yes. This S is 15 meter south of T and this one is here yes. This one is 15 meter south of T. This one is 10. This one is compulsory 10. Now remaining is here 5. Next point. Point P is 20 meter south of point Q. Now for point Q here point P and point P is 20 meter here south of Q. From this one is here 5. Now remaining is part here 15. So P is 5 plus 15 total is part 20 meter south of Q. Leave it. Next point. Point R is 25 meter east of P. Now friends, take here point R. This point R is 25 meter east of P and friend this one is 10. Then this one also compulsory 10. Now remaining this one is here 15. Next, go for next one. Point L is 15 meter east of S and now for S. So L is 15 meter east of S. Next, point M is the midpoint of U and P. Now here they given M. M is the midpoint of U and P. U and P total distance is 10, 15, 30. So now they given point M is the midpoint of U and P means 10 plus 5, 15. This one is U and M is 15, M and P also 15. So M is the midpoint between U and P. Yes. So this they given entire data. Take the question. What is the distance between point L and R? From distance between point L and R, this distance we are going to calculate. And from this one is 15, then this one also compulsory 15. So answer is 15. Option B is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here the again question is, in which direction is point T with respect to point P? With respect to point P, and here east, next west, north, here south. Point T is which direction with respect to P means here answer is northeast. So northeast means here answer is option D. Next, take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, sir, time up. So which of the following points are in line end? Now friends, take here. So first one is for P, R, S. P, R, S are in line? No. First option, no chance. Take second option here. Q, M, L. Friends, here Q, M, L are in line? No. Next one, U, S, T. Friends, here U, next S, next one T. These are not in line. Next one, M, S, L. Friends, once if you are going to observe here, M, S, L, these three are in the same line. That means your answer is option D. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So take here given question. How many meaningful words can be made by using the letters A, E, L and T, keeping L as the first letter of the word? So by taking here L is the first letter. Friends, take here. By taking here L is the first letter. So how many meaningful words can be possible by using these four letters? Now, friends, here first one is for late, L-A-T-E. Next one here, next one is for late, L-A-A-T. That means we can able to frame only two meaningful words only. One is late, other one is late. So often this type of questions are completely based upon your English. So by using this one, we can able to frame two letters, two words with a starting with L. That means your answer is 2. Option B is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here the again question is from Silax. Friends, here our requirement is which of the following conclusions are logically follows. That means here true conclusions. Take here given statements. Only few palace is a home. Friends, take here palace. Some palace is a home. At the same time here some part of palace is here not home. Why means here they given only a few, and only a few means some will come, some not will come. Leave it. Next one. All home is a office. Friends, take here home. This all home is a office. Next one is here no office is a building. Take here office. Here no office is a building. So friends, these are the given statements. Take first conclusion here. All palace is home is a possibility. Friends, here we know already some part of palace is not home. Then all palace are home is a possibility. Wrong. Why means already some part of palace is not home. So first one is wrong. Second one, some palace is building. Friends, here we know no office is a building means in office here palace is a some part. We know some part of palace is not building. Remaining palace and building relation is can't say. Then some palace is building mean this one is can't say. So simple answer is for both are wrong. Neither one nor two. Option D is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So take your given statements. Here also our requirement is logically follows. That means true conclusions. Take your given statements. All men is women. Friends, take care. Men. This all men is a woman. Next one is some child is woman. Take your child. Some part of child is a woman. Next one. No man is a boy. Friends, take care. Man. This no man is a boy. So friends, these are the given statements. Take first conclusion. Some men is a child. Friends, here men and child relation is can't say. So first one is wrong. Next one. No man is a child. Men and child relation is can't say. If it is a can't say, we can't able to draw positive relation. We can't able to draw negative. That means this one also false. Both should be wrong. First requirement is satisfied. Subjective predicates are same. Second requirement is satisfied. One is positive, other one is negative. So third requirement is satisfied. If it satisfies three conditions, answer is either or. Option C is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time on. So here also our requirement is logically follows. That means here true conclusions. Take your given statement. No professor is a student. Friends, take care. Professor. Here no professor is a student. Next one. Next statement is here. Only few student is a lecturer. Take a student. Some part of student is a lecturer. At the same time, some part of student is here not lecturer. Next one. All lecturer is a principal. Friends, lecturer, this all is a principal. And now these are the given statements. Take first conclusion here. All professor is principal is a possibility. Friends, all professor is principal is a possibility. Professor and principal relation is can't say. Can't say means there is chance to link up with all professor are principal. Yes, so first one is true. Second one. All student is lecturer is a possibility. Friends, we know already some part of student is not lecturer. Then all student are lecturer is a possibility. Wrong. Why means already some students are not lecturers. That means your answer is only one follows. That means your answer is option A. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here also our requirement is logically follows. That means your true conclusions. Take your given statement. Only few palace is a home. Friends, take care. Some part of palace is a home. At the same time, some part of palace is here not home. Next. Next one is here. All home is a office. Friends, take care. Home. This all home is a office. Next one is no office is a building. Take your office. This no office is a building. So these are the given statements. Take first conclusion. Some home is a building. We know all home is not building, but some home is building means first one is wrong. Second one. No home is a building. Friends, here we know no office is a building. No office is a building means here home is within the boundary of office. That means no home is a building. That means here second one is true. That means answer is only 2 follows. Option B is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here also our requirement is logically follows true conclusions. Take your given statements. No professor is a student. Friends, take care. Professor. Here, no professor is a student. Next, second statement is here. Only few student is a lecturer. Some part of student is a lecturer. At the same time, some part of student is not lecturer. Next one, all lecturer is a principal. Friends, take care. Lecturer, this all lecturer is a principal. So these are the given statements. Take first conclusion. Some student is principal. Some part of student is mixed with a principal. Yes, that means your first conclusion is true. Second one, some lecturer is professor. Here some lecturer is professor and we know no professor is a student, then no student is a professor. If no student is a professor means in student lecturer is some part, that means some part of lecturer is not professor. But here they given some lecturer or professor means we can't say. So second one is wrong. So only one follows and only one follows means your answer is option A. Take here next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here the given is if 2 is added to the first digit of each of the number. Now, friends, for each and every number, for first digit we are going to add plus 2. Next, then how many number thus formed will be divisible by 3 and now. So friends, for each and every first digit, in each and every number, for first digit we are going to add 2. That means here 884, next one 712, next 637, next 585, next one 496. So how many numbers is divisible by 3? Friends, 3 divisible to rule is sum of the digits is divisible by 3 and now. Suppose take here sum is 20. 20 is not divisible by 3. This one, no chance. Here sum is here 10, not divisible by 3. Here sum is here 16, it is not divisible by 3. Sum is 18, divisible by 3. Next sum is here 19, not divisible by 3. That means only one number is divisible by 3. That means your answer is option B. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So take your given one. First take the series and 684, next 512, 437, next 385, next one is 296. Here the again question is if all the digits in each of the number are arranged in descending order. So friends, here they are talking about all the digits within the number and so within the number all digits are arranged in here descending order. Descending means high to low. Now take here 864, next one is 521, next one is 743, next one is 835, next one is 962. Then question is which are the following will be the highest number in the new arrangement. So highest number in the new arrangement is what? 962. So 962 by interchanging 296 we are going to get. That means your answer is 296. That means your answer is option C. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So take care given one. What will be the resultant number? The second digit of the second lowest number is divided by the third digit of the highest number. So friends, second digit of the second lowest number. So first lowest number is what? Here 296. Second lowest number is here 385. But they are talking about second digit of the second lowest number. Here 8 is divided by third digit of the highest number. Friends, here highest number is what? Here 684. Third digit is what? Here 4. Now 8 by 4. Resultant is what? 2. So answer is option A. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. if 1 is added to the first digit and 2 is added to the last digit of each of the number, then which of the following number will be the second highest number? Friends, first take your given numbers and 684, next one is 512, 437, 385, next one is 296. Now the given one is what? 1 is added to the first digit, next 2 is added to the last digit. So first digit means here plus 1, last digit is here plus 2. Then now friends, take it. 6 plus 1 is what? 7, 8, 4 plus 2, 6. Next 6, 1, 4. Next one is what? 5, 3, 9, 4, 8, 7, 3, 9, 8. Question is, so friends, after that, which of the following number will be the second highest number? So friends, take your first highest number. Your first highest number is what? 786. Next second highest number. Second highest number is what? 614. 614 means here 512. That means your answer is 512. Option E is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. If in each number the first and second digits are interchanged, then which will be the highest number? So friends, here the given one is first and second digits are interchanged. Friends, take it. This one is part here 8, 6, 4. Next 1, 5, 2. Next one 3, 4, 7, 8, 3, 5, 9, 2. This one is 6. Question is, then which of the following will be the highest number? So highest number is what here? 926. That means your answer is what? 296. That means your answer is option A. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So take your given one. How many pairs of letters are there in the word worship, which has many letters between them in the word in alphabetical series? Friends, take here, simply take face values and W face value here 23, O is 15, R is 18, S is 19, H is 8, I is 9, P is 16. Now, friends, after 23, any number is there? No, that means simply leave. Next one, after 15, next one is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, no. After 18, 19. After 19, no number is there, leave it. After 19, no number. 8, next 9, 10, no. After 9, 10, no. Forward here we are having two pairs, take in reverse. 16, next 17, 18, next one is 19. Next after 19, 20, 21, 22 and next. After 9, 10, next 11, 12, 13, 14, no. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, no. After 19, 20, 21, 22, no. After 18, 19, 20, no. After 15, 16, no. That means total here we are having 3 pairs. So answer is option D and D. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here the given one is how many letters will be remain the same position in the word monster. Friends, take care. M-O-N-S-T-E-R. Next, when they arranged in the ascending order from left to right. So friends, here the given question is how many letters will be remains unchanged when if you are going to arrange these letters in the alphabetical order from left to right. Ascending order, low to high. That means alphabetical order. So take here lowest one. First one is here E. After E, next one is here M. After M, next one N. Next one O. Next one R. Next one is S. Next one is here T. So how many letters positions is constant? So ME changed, OM changed. Next, take a N and N before and after same. SO changed, TR changed, ES changed, RT changed. That means only one letter position is constant. So answer is 1. Option A is the answer. Take your next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here the again question is, if in the number 39682147, 1 is added to each of the digit which is less than 5. Friends, if it is less than 5 means plus 1 and next 1 is subtracted from each of the digit which is greater than 5. If more than 5 means then minus 1. Take care first here. Less than 5 means here plus 1, that means here 4. Greater than 5 means minus 1, this one is 8. Next, this one is 5. Next 7. Next 3, 2, next 5, next one is here 6. Question is what? Then how many digits are repeating in the thus formed? So how many digits are repeating here? 4, it's not repeating. 5, here 5, here also we are having 5 2 times. Next one here 8 not there, 7 2 times not there, 3 2 times not there, 2 also not there, 6 also not there. That means only one number is repeating 2 times. So answer is option B. Take next question. Your time starts now. Time up. So friends, take your given data. There are 6% A, B, C, D, E and F who all are of the different weights and. So friends, here we are having 6%, each person is having the different weight. Yes, leave it. Take first point here. No two persons have the same weight. Next, go for next one. Only two persons are lighter than A. Friends, take care. Here the given data is only two persons are lighter than A. So lighter than A, here we are having only two members. Next point. B is heavier than A. Friends, take care. They given one. B is heavier than A, but qualifies first person. Next, B is lighter than C and D and. Now, B is lighter than C and D. That means here C and D are heavier than B. Go for next point here. F is heavier than E. Friends, here they given F. This F is heavier than E. Next, but lighter than D. But qualifies here first person F. F is lighter than D. That means here D is heavier than F. Next point. D is not the heaviest. That means for D here, no chance. D is not the heaviest. Next point. The weight of second heaviest person is 115 kg. Second heaviest, this person weight is here 115 kg. Next, and the weight of lightest person is 56 kg. This one is here 56 kg. Now, so this is the given entire data. And now friends, take care. Friends, here B is compulsory more than A. Next one, D is more than F. F is more than E and. But here D is not the heaviest. D is not heaviest means for D, suppose if I take here D and. Next. So D is heavier than B and A and F and E. That means D is compulsory heavier than 4%. So this is the only place for D. Next one. F is more than E. Next, B is more than A. B is more than A means the only possibility for B. B is more than A. F is more than E. Then this one is what? F. This one is E. Now F is more than E. At the same time, D is more than F. Now remaining person is what? Here C. Now C is the heaviest person. Now take your given questions. So here the given question is, how many persons are heavier than F? Friends, heavier than F, how many persons are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4 persons are there. So answer is 4. Option D is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So take your given question. If the sum of the weights of E and A is 131 kg. Now friends, take here. Sum of the weights of E and A is 131. Now friends, take here. E plus A is 131 kgs and we know E is 56. E is 56 means now, sorry, here they given E is 56 and so E is 56 means now A is. Now A equal to 131 minus 56. This one is 11 minus 6 here 5. Next this one is here 12 minus 5. This one is part here 7. That means here A is 75 kg and now leave it. Next one. And the sum of the weights of D and B is 213. Now D plus B equal to 213 kg. Now D is 115. D is 115 means now B is. So 213 minus 115. This one is part 13 minus 5 here 8. 10 minus 1 is part here 98. So now here B is 98 kg. Next A is here 75 kg. Question is then what the sum of the weights of A and B? Sum of the weights of A and B and 98 plus 75. This one is part 13. So 173 and so 173 means your answer is option B. Next. Take next question. Your time starts now. Take your question. Who among the following person is the second heaviest? First heaviest here C. Second heaviest is here D. So answer is option D and. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. Now take your given question. Friends, here the given question is which of the following statement is true and take first one. Only 2 persons are heavier than B. Heavier than B, here we are having only 2%. First statement is true. Go for second statement. Sum of the weights of D and E is 171 kg. D and E and so this one is part 115. Next one is part 56. Here total is part 171 kg. Yes, second one also true. Third one. Weight of E is 58 kg. No, E is 56. So this one is wrong statement. That means both 1 and 2 are true. Both 1 and 2 are true means now answer is option B.